Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and a happy new year. Since it's protective hairstyle season, me and my girl Ovoke from Meet the Engels, check her out on YouTube, teamed up and I did her passion twist. Well, I really love the outcome. Please sit back and enjoy watching this video. Bye bye. So I'm first starting off by prepping her hair. I am trimming her dead ends and just bring that hair back to life before we start this protective hairstyle. And unfortunately, I did not record the whole process of trimming her hair. But if you are interested in me cutting someone's hair or trimming their ends, just let me know and I will record a video about that. So these passion twists were a big thing last year, and I'm really loving this hair because it's really light, really good for a protective hairstyle. And, so we're gonna see how it turned out on her hair and definitely try these passion twists. It's really easy and simple to try it yourself. As you guys can see, I have different kind of edge controls on my hand just to see what works for her hair. Because in 2021, I want to bring some new faces on my channel, introduce new people, new hairstyles, just new things on this channel. Mainly hair things, but new things. So for this particular method, I use the rubber band method, and you guys can see I part my hair or part the hair and place the passion twist inside my part, then take the own hair or the real hair back, then put a rubber band around it, and then take the passion twist and just twist the hair with the real hair in it. I hope it helps. And if it's not, just keep on watching. If you don't like long passion twists, you can also cut it. But when you do cut it, just place a rubber band where you want the length to stop, and then cut your desired look.